Hey Ronnie, how you going? I've got this one that we talked about with the 30% startup and balance on completion. I've had to work through a problem. I know you're on holidays, totally deserve it. So I've just had to do this, and maybe you need to fix it up. I had a problem where I've needed to put this in as GST-free income on both of these so that this figure here does not change, so that the body corporate knows that they need to pay 1950 and 4550. So the GST component on this job is zero. The reason why I've had to do it that way, I believe, is because if I put GST on income, it looks great there, 1950, 450, and then there's the GST. I'd love to display it that way, tax inclusive, but when you hit update, it changes it to these figures. So it's not really clear the amount that they need to pay. If I try the other way, which is tax exclusive, should be my other option, it ends up like having a different total. So either of those options don't work for me. So I'm just sending it over with the GST free income, so that the 1950 and the 4550 are clear to the customer. So I'm sorry if that causes complication, but I don't know how else to do it, so I just have to do it that way. Hope you're having a great holiday, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, Ronnie. Bye.